Hey guys, I'm Sam Matthew. I'm here to show you how to make a PPE face shield out of recycled plastic bottles. First, you have to find a plastic bottle like this. Make sure the bottle has straight edges so that it wraps around your face properly. The first step is to cut the top and the bottom of the plastic bottle. Once you cut the top and the bottom of the plastic bottle, you get something like this. Then you can stick a tape and so that you get a straight line which you can use as a guide to cut the bottle in half. Once you cut the bottle in half, you get something like this. The corners of the bottle will be sharp and uncomfortable to wear, so you can use a pair of scissors and round the edges off so that they are comfortable on your face. You can take a hole punch to punch a few holes in the bottle to put the threads through so that it can be tied around the back. At this point, the face shield is pretty much done and can be worn on your face, but it would be better if we could add some foam padding on the edges so that it's comfortable to wear on your face. With that, our face shield is complete and we can wear it. As we all know, the world is facing a pandemic right now, and a lot of people are working really hard to make sure that we don't suffer. But these people do not have required protection equipment to protect themselves. Maybe it's because the lack of resources, but in a time where we have plastic lying around everywhere, it would be great if we put it to a good use and help the people who are helping us. Thank you.